Hello, grooming lovers.
Hello.
My name is Damjan, this is my wife Sanja, and welcome to the first and only grooming salon in our country, in Serbia, that only does matted, neglected dogs for free. Today we have an interesting case. We have something different. You're probably used to us shaving, grooming matted dogs, but today we have a totally different case. We have a dog that we named Chupko. A Chupko is a name that you normally give a dog with lots of hair, but you can see that this guy is having a hair loss problem. He was found in our city and he had tons and tons of fleas, and some people took him to the veterinarian, and the veterinarian did a lot of tests, and the veterinarian thinks that this is all flea allergy, and that's the reason that he has a lot of hair loss. The veterinarian also did the test on fungus. That's why this dog is still in our salon. He lives here. But Sanja and I, and also one girl that started helping us, is helping us with him, taking him to a walk and everything. And he's a very happy dog. He was found on the street when the temperatures were very, very high, and his skin was very, very red. And he's been here for like 1 week and a little bit more. And yeah, that test for fungus is, you have to wait that for 2 weeks, and that's why he's here, to be isolated from our other dogs, because fungus can go from one dog to another and cause infections, and that's why I want to make sure that he's negative. The veterinarian thinks that he does not have fungus because he does not scratch himself and all of that, and we have to wash him with medical shampoo every second day. This is like the 4th time we're giving him a bath. I decided to film it, and I'm also going to make a video when he's completely healed and the hair is grown back. I want to make a video of his transformation, but for now we're just going to make a video of bathing. Okay. I'm putting him in the bathtub, and this is the medical shampoo that we are using. So he is having this bath every second day, and we bought him a high quality food, and you can see the new hair growing. I don't know if you can see on camera, but he's going to be okay. Okay, Sanja, you may proceed.
Thank you, Damjan.
Yeah, about the fleas, the veterinarian gave him Bravecto, which killed all the fleas. And Sanja named him Chupko. Again, Chupko is a name that you normally give to a dog that has a lot of hair, but Sanja is just keeping it positive. She's very optimistic, and that's why she named him Chupko.
Yes.
And one day he's going to be real Chupko.
Yes.
And he's a very, very good dog. He's good with other dogs. He does not mind the cats. He can walk on the leash. He pulls a little bit when he's on the leash, but... Možeš otvoriti. But he's a good dog. I think that the veterinarian said that he has like 5 years, a little bit more, a little bit less. So yeah, again, normally we don't like it. Sanja does not like touching that.
It was strange.
Yeah.
Because he doesn't have hair. Sometimes, listen, I pet him on the head, but when you, I don't know.
Yeah, I know it feels strange because he does not have hair, and when you think that he might have fungus, it's even. Sanja is spending that bottle of shampoo like it costs $2 and not $20.
Oh.
I'm just kidding. And we're going to apply this shampoo and then we're going to let it stay for like 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. And then we're going to wash it off. We do not air dry him because he does not have lots of hair and it's very warm here. And that's why there's no need for that. You can see he's enjoying. Te naborimo isto samo, dobro. Ne, tak samo se namješta. So yeah, after eating high quality food, and we also give him some food supplement, his condition is getting better and better, but it's going to take time for him to grow the full hair. Okay, we're going to let it stay for 15 minutes and then wash it off. Okay, it's time to rinse Čupko. And Sanja is the best person to do that.
Of course.
Čupko, dobro je. Okay, that's it. These are our new towels. We bought 10 big ones and 5 small ones, and they're very soft. Sanja chose them. Sanja likes soft towels.
Yes, definitely.
And you know, they're like in hotel. They're very, you know,
very soft.
They can soak a lot of water. They're very good. Again, we're not going to dry him with the blow dryer because he does not have hair. That he has only a little bit of hair, and it is summer, and it is going to be totally pleasant for him here. So Sanja is going to towel him dry as much as she can, and that's it. So we also saved another dog a few days ago that's called Blackie, and Blackie is doing good, and he also has some skin issues, and he also needs to be washed with a special shampoo. Yeah, he's already dry. He has some matted parts, but that's not his concern now. Čupko. As you can see, he's already dry. So there's no need for us to use a blow dryer. Malo glavicu.
Za glavu mislim.
And that's it, guys. We just wanted to let you know that we saved another dog. Thank you for watching us, thank you for supporting us, and we will definitely see you soon with more dog grooming videos. Bye.
Thank you, bye.